The Philippine team triumphed in the recently concluded 33rd Southeast Asian Games in Thailand.
But it's not only the Filipino athletes who were recognized in the biennial event. Joining us now in the studio is the fashion designer and sports advocate, Avel Bacudio, who conceptualized the uniforms of Team Philippines.
Yay!
Woo! We're so
Avel,
excited.
congratulations, mabuhay Team Pilipinas.
Thank you.
Really,
Thank you for
really
having
did
me here.
so
Again.
well.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, see,
I love the uniform.
Thank
I
you.
want
beautiful.
one, please.
Sure. But we can ask first the POC.
Yes, but you know, Avel, you are a very famous Filipino couturier. Obviously, you're very well respected. And how did that actually? How did you transition into doing a uniform for our delegation?
Remember the last time that you di ba, guest nyo ako
Oo.
here? So we're talking about my advocacy,
Yes,
the
and your
weavers,
business, and your
the
weavers,
business. Now it's all about, again, the weavers na parang why not yung ating mga local fabric is gawin nating sportswear.
Okay.
Which is maraming gagawing time kasi we need to experiment. Alam mo naman yung mga tela natin or
Yes.
sinulid natin is talagang we hindi pwedeng lagyan ng lyocell o synthetic because I want to present yung tela natin talagang Pinoy pure siya. So medyo mahirap yung ginawa ko pero yung trust ng POC and the PSC is talagang full support talaga sila sa akin. So hindi naman ako nahirapan because ginagawa ko talaga yun.
Okay, but I didn't know. But Monique, I mean, like, you're seeing what's being flashed in the
Yeah,
screen.
they're so beautiful. I'm in
Beautiful.
awe. I wonder, how long did it take you to conceptualize from start to finish what it's going to look like in the end?
Actually, last year pa, we're talking about the uniform after the Gintong Sinag fashion show.
Yes.
And then the POC, parang they contact me about the uniform. And then I told to Bumble Tolentino, the president ng POC, na parang, what's the purpose kung gagawin ko to? I really need sana, o yung purpose ko rin is parang to help build the weavers.
Yeah.
So parang it's parang nag-collab talaga kami ng POC and the PSC ni Chairman Pato na talagang i-support ko yung sports and then susuportahan din nila yung aking mga
So
weavers.
dalawang angle agad.
Yes, agad.
I'm not even paying attention to you. I'm sorry. I'm looking
It's okay, it's
kasi
okay.
the uniforms being flashed. Ang
Kasi-
ganda ng details, the patintero,
Correct.
the
Yes.
jackstone, like the small details. I'm in awe, Avel. As
Actually, you know,
in,
Monique, we
ayan,
can
no?
wear them
Kaya nga, ang
Yes,
ganda.
on a
Yes.
regular day.
Yeah.
I love it. And Avel, you know, the last time you were here, kasi we were talking about, again, like you mentioned a while ago, you already knew that you were going to make the uniforms of the Philippine
Yes,
team.
yes.
Wow, what
Thank
an
you.
honor.
But of course,
And you didn't
first,
tell us.
it's a secret.
Ferdy's hurt. Normally, people tell Ferdy everything.
Talaga. So, alam niya na yon.
Now you know.
-1 ka, Avel, in Ferdy's eyes.
And then, yun. Of course, that sa help din ng PTRI and DOST. Because yung top, kung nakikita nyo sa screen, yung top, it's all about our raw materials. The water lily, the banana, abaca, bamboo, and piña. So we don't have machine dito sa Pilipinas. So we need to send the raw materials sa ibang bansa para magawa
Ma-finish.
siya.
Right.
Kasi wala talaga tayo. Yun nga sana ang aking wish na sana magkaroon tayo ng parang, you know, yung raw materials natin, magawa na natin para dito na natin gagawin. So, it's all about the raw materials from the Philippines. And then, naisip ko kaagad, so, paano ipipresent natin yung ating athletes na parang they are wearing yung ating local. So, yun, inisip ko na parang the title is Laro ng Lahi. Dahil nung sa probinsya, I know, ikaw, Monique, hindi mo na naranasan.
Kami dalawa naranasan namin.
No,
Patintero.
you know what, in the province, in my town, in Buhi, walang kuryente. So yung mga bata before, binalikan ko siya.
Okay.
Ang saya-saya ng mga, yung pagkinalakihan ko.
No, I felt that before also.
Really? Did you try
Oo.
patintero?
Patintero, jackstone, Chinese garter.
Garter.
Oo.
Looks and tinik.
Winner ako doon.
Pero may accent siya.
May accent, pero marunong maglaro sa streets.
Di ko kinayalog sa tinik.
Looks something
At saka Jackstone.
Oo, grabe naman. Marunong din ako magtinikling.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
It's a dance.
Baboy!
Okay.
Ano ba yan, guys? Binuking niyo ako dito
I
sa
think we
show.
should TikTok that, tinikling. And then, you were saying that nag-regress, sabihin na natin,
Yes. Parang,
sa childhood.
Parang binalik ko.
Is that the right word, regress? Went back.
Like
Okay.
parang, yeah, you're like channeling your inner childhood. Your inner child
Yes.
came out.
Because yung mga laro na yan is laro yan ng mga ninuno pa natin before. So, gusto kong ipasa sa mga new generation ngayon na hindi nila alam.
Kasi naka-iPad lang sila
Yes,
lahat.
ngayon parang,
naka-TV.
what is luksong tinik? Buti
Yeah.
nga ikaw, thank you to you kasi alam mo.
Oh, 10 points for me. Thank you so
Kasi
much.
yung iba hindi na talaga alam.
Yeah,
Yung parang,
definitely
what
yung
is
mga
to us?
generation
So, I really want
ngayon.
to educate the young generation na parang ito yung mga iniwan sa atin ng mga ninuno natin, ng mga laro na wala pang internet noon. Pasalamat, buti nga may internet na ngayon, pwede nilang i-google kung ano yung meaning ng patintero.
At saka sariling atin.
Yes.
Actually, that's so true. We are losing that
Yes.
parang tradition ng
Saka yung
Filipino.
identity natin
Oo.
bilang isang Pilipino, parang nawawala na. Kaya dapat itong mga kabataan ngayon, through the internet, i-google nila kung ano yung mga laro ng mga Pilipino before nakatingin talaga sa
No. I'm at awe because syempre, hindi naman ako ganun na level mo na creatives. Pero yung pagkuha mo ulit ng traditions natin, ilalagay doon in a subtle way, pero
May
wow.
puso.
Super meaningful.
Click.
Yes, kasi importante sa atin ngayon, yung mga kabataan kasi ngayon, parang nakakalimutan yung tradisyon na iniwan sa atin. So, yung mga kabataan kasi ngayon, pag nag-abroad sila, wala na. Hindi nila madadala yung pagka-Pilipino sa ibang bansa kung hindi nila alam yung tradisyon na ibinigay at pinamana sa atin ng
Because
ating
even
mga
actually,
nino.
Tagalog, that's also being lost with the new
Okay.
generation. Not me, ha? Marunong pa din ako mag-Tagalog.
Fluent, ah.
Fluent pa din ako.
Pero yung accent, nandoon.
What?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, at least marunong ko. I'm just saying, like, yung mga
Yeah.
kids now, my, like, inaanaks and stuff, they're just as slang as me, right? And they grew up here, and they have a hard time with Tagalog. So I think it's very important to bring back those. Grabe naman sa tawa.
Hindi,
Shit.
kasi ang cute-cute niya yung pag nagtatagalog siya, di ba yung
Nabubully ako.
accent?
Yeah.
Actually, ganyan, gusto ko yung ganyan din, yung accent ko pag
Bakit?
nagtatagalog.
Para
accent ka rin
tawanan ka
naman,
ng lahat
di
ng
ba?
tao.
Hindi yun.
British.
Tao pala.
British.
Yes.
Oh, my
But-
British accent?
Yes.
No.
Avel, pero anong mga challenges that you encountered putting together this collection for the Philippine people?
Well, actually, yung mga challenge na nakuha ko is yung how to connect sa mga weavers na ito kaya i-continue pa rin natin. Kasi yung mga weavers ngayon, Monique, is parang nawawala na rin. Kasi tumatanda na sila. Hindi na nila nabibigay sa mga anak, mga apo. Kasi yung mga anak, they want to go to Manila, parang mag-call center na lang. So, paano yung ating tradisyon? So, kaya nga sabi ko nga through DOS and PTRI, baka pwede nating gawing itong ipasok sa mga school. Kasi para maturuan din yung mga bata kung ano yung pag-weave. Yun lang naman. And then yung pagborda. Kasi kulang na rin tayo ngayon sa mga nagboborda. Kasi if you notice, yung borda niya is sa kamay.
All hand.
All hand
Not
siya.
machine, oo.
Oo. So, sa konti natin ng mga nagboborda, hindi ako makakabigay sa time na binigay ng POC. So, yung mga challenge, parang, paano ko to gagawin? So, gagawa na naman tayo ng machine, which is, doon pa lang, parang nakakasad kasi wala nang gustong magborda.
What do you think is the solution to get people to want to keep doing this?
I think ipasok siya sa curriculum ng ating school. 'Di ba? Before kasi mayroon tayong
Home economics.
Home economics.
But
Oh,
not
for
anymore. I don't
awareness.
think we have that
we
anymore.
don't have anymore.
Yes.
So I think isa 'yon, ilagay bata pa lang kailangan ng ituro kung ano yung kahalagahan ng mga
Oo.
tradisyon na iniwan sa
Maybe doon sa collection mo para sa Team Pilipinas na uniform, baka ma-inspire sila.
Yeah.
Kasi Monique, if you put them, the uniforms, our uniforms beside the other countries, they're beautiful uniforms also. But ours really stood out. Napaka-chic.
No, it's so beautiful. That's why I
Thank
keep
you.
saying I'm not even looking at you. I'm looking at the process and the LED screen behind you because it's just amazing. Saan mo sinurse yung mga weaves? Are there particular regions?
Before pa talaga, my advocacy talaga is to help the weaver. So I travel around the Philippines, pinag-aralan mabuti, ituro sa and then I ask them kung anong needs. And then kung nakita niyo yung suot ni Alex and then ni Brian, it's a weave from Tawi-Tawi. So, yeah, that's one. So,
Yeah.
it's a weave from mga bata. So, medyo nakakataba ng puso kasi may mga bata rin na interesado. But the problem is, paano natin sila may bibigyan ng raw materials or mga sinulid na para i-weave nila na talagang atin. So, iyon yung challenge na isa pa rin na parang dapat pag ibinigay natin at tinuruan sila, nandun na yung materials nila. Hindi yung parang we get import pa, i-import natin yung sinulid, which is hindi okay. Kasi like yung sinulid natin, hindi na tayo nakakapag-produce ng sarili natin. We get the sinulid from China or India. So hindi mo pa rin pag winib dito, hindi mo pa rin masasabi na it's a local. Kasi
Not
winib lang
100%.
tayo. But I really want sana, raw material is from the Philippines, weavers is from the Philippines. So pag ilinabas natin, talagang sa atin.
Well, there's a lot to talk about pa.
I know, I have
Abel.
so many
But-
questions.
correct, but we'll stay tuned, ha? We'll be right back after this quick break. Thank you.
With the accent.
With the accent.
Hello, welcome back. You're still watching The Daily Dish, and still with us, fashion designer Abel Bacudio.
Yes, super interesting topic.
Yeah.
What I want to know, Monique, is ilan ang athletes na ginawan mo ng uniform?
Actually, dapat is 1,500
Athletes?
Yeah.
And officials?
official.
Okay.
But the president of POC told me na parang hindi makakapunta yon sa parade. Kasi yung iba, kinabukasan maglalaro na, so they need to parang to sleep early. So, naging 30 na lang. Naging 300. Sorry,
300.
300.
Okay.
And then, nung Monday, we go to Thailand. Nung Monday, parang nag-cut off sila ng alauna nung Monday. Dapat, kung sino mag-attend lang. Eh ngayon yung mga ibang Pilipino going to Thailand, parang Monday pa sila darating or Tuesday na sila darating ng mga alauna yata yung dating. I-cut off na yon. Kasi I think the king is nanood, pumunta nung...
Okay. But
So-
300 is a lot.
That's
Parang-
still
Ang
a lot.
dami, yes, ang dami.
But of course, all of them kailangan may uniform. All the 1,000.
And then
so ginawa
medyo
mo pa
syempre
rin.
nagka-problema pa rin kasi yung ibang athlete is darating ng Tuesday, eh di ba nag-cut off. So we need to parang ibibigay sa ibang nandoon na. So buti na lang I bring my team. Tapos nagtutukbi kami, nagpa-plancha. Kasi very sensitive yung
Yeah.
barong eh.
Passion project talaga.
What an
Parang
experience.
mas
Yeah.
malala. And then rumble na. And then buti na lang the shoes is talagang kasya rin sa kanila lahat.
Buta na lang.
And then I bring mga ilang sets, mga 12 sets pa yata.
The extra.
The extra.
How did you
Nagamit pa rin niya.
Meron siya extra.
Yeah,
Yes,
for
I have.
us. That's why he made it exactly, specifically
I have,
for us.
I have.
Ano naman yung reception ng athletes when they put on the uniform?
Of course, kailangan ko munang, when we deliver the clothes, naka-suit bag siya, and then may description na. Kasi kailangan nilang malaman ang isusuot nila. It's parang, ano yung...
For educational
yeah,
purposes
yes.
din,
Paano
yeah.
lalaban, instruction, kasi this is from ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. And then, when I saw, nung nagkita na kami doon, sabi niya, oh my God, Sir Avel, sabi niya ganyan tayo. Don't call me sir, I'm not your teacher. Kasi halos lahat tinatawag kong, sir, no, I'm not teacher. Mukha ba akong principal?
Anong gusto mo? Just Avel?
Just call me Avel. Kasi pag sir, parang, Anyway, tapos, ang nakakatuwa sa kanila kasi they remember, binasa na nila yung hang tag, description kung ano siya.
story
So, yung story niya. Kasi, di ba, pag nadidesign tayo, kailangan muna natin isipin yung ano yung istorya ng damit. Kasi katulad ng parade nila, present nila may story tayo. Kaya tinawag na lorong ng lahi. So yun, tapos masayang-masaya. And then, the POC, of course, sobrang saya because nagkaroon pa siya ng, Avel, sabi niya sa akin, nagkuhan ako na parang, nag-rent siya ng isang parang malaking function room para lahat ayusin yung mga garments at anong needs. And then I bring also 3 plancha. And then na-hold pa kami sa airport ng PAL because I have yung spray, yung what's that?
Anti-wrinkling spray ba yun?
No,
Water spray.
hindi,
Steamer.
ano to, ano nga yun? Yung starch.
Starch.
Parang
Okay.
it's ano.
Para maging
yeah.
crispy yung
Yup, yup, yup.
barong.
Oo.
So, siguro 12 ang dinala ko. Na-hold pa kami, tinatawag ako. Sabi ko, bakit kaya? Tapos, may assistant told me na, gagamitin yan sa pangplancha.
Kasi powder naman,
It's called
sir.
daw
It's not powder, it's a spray.
Meron.
Alberol?
Almerol.
Almirol.
Almirol.
So, you're pure
Thank you to
Filipina.
love it.
Thank you to my direct that's helping me so over.
Almirol. You know what, in the province, yun ang ginagawa talaga. You know what,
I
kung
love
saan galing?
Almirol.
Liwayway.
Liwayway starch.
Wala
Yeah.
na akong
Yeah.
alam doon. Cornstarch lang alam ko.
So that's, kinuhan kami, hinold pat, and then we explain na we need to gagan. Buti na lang nadala namin kasi kailangan naming planchahin siya. And then yung iba naman, nabasa na nila doon sa instruction, lumalabas sila, parang na-plancha na nila, and then, actually hindi na ako nag-attend ng parade kasi medyo na-drain na ako doon sa...
Napagod na.
Nagpa-plancha ako. Imagine mo, 300.
Can you imagine?
I
The
know.
Avel Bacudio
But
present.
that's my job. Talaga, saka yung parang na-feel mo talaga. You're not represent, yung clothes mo hindi lang nagre-represent ng bansa natin, but yourself also. As a Filipino, ang sarap ng pakiramdam.
It would be such an honor if I wore that. You know, like just wearing that handmade, locally made Filipino
yes.
outfit representing the Philippines. Like, I would have cried.
Yes.
Ang sarap-sarap ng
But
feeling.
how was that na
Are you
mineasure mo?
crying?
No, because it's...
It's okay for
Kasi
me.
Grabe to si Avel. But we should always have Avel on the show kasi it's a lot
It's so
of fun.
funny, I know.
Pero paano mo mineasure each of those athletes and officials? Kasi, for example, si Alex Ayala is traveling
Yes,
so much.
yes.
That's a challenge.
Yes.
Si our national pole vaulter also.
Obiena.
Si
always
EJ
traveling.
Obiena is hindi na siya nag-parade. Last ko na siya. But of course, siya yung crush ko kaya medyo...
Breaking news!
Breaking news
About
po.
EJ.
Okay, EJ, you heard it from the Avel Bacudio.
What about the basketball team? Ang tangkad
Hindi rin.
nila.
Actually, naka-ready na ako. Yung kay Alex and then the vlog bearer natin is talagang I have day na para sa kanila. Kasi hindi pa sinasabi sa akin ng President PCO kung sino. So I have, and then yung mga officers naman, yung mga officials, I have measurement naman kasi ginagawan ko na talaga before pa. So ginawa ko na. And then, when we talk about the measurement, I told to Bumble, sabi ko, baka mahirapan tayong i-measure. Kasi, for example, yung ibang athletes
Iba yung sizes nila, malalaki,
yes,
matatangkad.
ang tatangkad.
And they're so tall.
Yes.
Tapos, syempre, ano kayang gagawin ko? And then, when they told me na parang the volleyball is talagang mag-a-attend, I know them. Alam ko na kaagad, kahit i-research mo na, alam ko na yung height.
Correct.
And then the pants kasi is ginawa ko siya ng garter na siya.
So it's
So
easier for
smart.
them.
Yes,
That is
and then
genius.
inalam ko na kaagad yung kanilang mga height. So talaga personalized yung mga matatangkad. But I have only 2 months to make the
My
uniform.
gosh, that's so crazy.
I know,
Kasi I'm
right?
waiting for the yung tela.
Right.
Oo.
Kasi mahirap.
So si Avel, di siya natulog.
Natulog naman.
We
He's our
wanna
modern-day
we wanna
superhero.
get to know you better. Okay.
Okay, go.
Ready ka na?
Ready ka na ba? Sabi nga
Yes.
ni Corina, ready na ba kayo? Okay. So we're gonna be asking you a few questions. And the first thing that pops in your head, just blur it out. Okay? You wanna take the first
You better
Game ka na
watch
ba?
out.
Game ka na ba? You wanna
Okay.
do the first question, my dear? Okay.
Sige. What's the first emotion you felt seeing the athletes wear the uniform for the first time?
Ang sarap maging Pilipino.
Wow, I like that. Ano, color, choice, symbolism, or instinct?
Color symbolism.
Nice.
Comfort or aesthetics? What came
Aesthetic.
first?
What? Mabilis agad.
Bilis.
Aesthetics.
Okay, hindi
I
ko
don't care
natapos.
about your comfort.
Noted. Okay.
Oh, okay. Saan nag-lean to? Modern or traditional?
Traditional.
What's the one material you're super proud of using?
Abaka.
Is that the hardest?
Yes.
Okay. What's harder to design? Day wear or performance wear?
They wear.
Harder?
Yes.
Talaga?
Because it's when you are working. So kailangan mo ng comfort.
And movement.
Yes,
yeah.
movement.
Kasi sa evening
logical.
wear, we're not...
Yes.
Actually, that's true. Sa evening wear, bahala na.
How many hours lang sa evening? And you have 8 hours.
Oh, I learned something new. I was
So
like, oh, you're
smart.
right, no?
He's not only fun, he's
He's
intelligent.
smart. Oo, smart pala ni Ache.
Did you like it?
I like that.
Oh my God, I lost... Where am I now?
Ako na.
Ayan, I found it na.
You got it.
Nabuang na ako sa'yo. What is one athlete feedback that really stuck with you? Nakalimutan?
No, Nasty.
Nasi Patesio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He hugged, she hugged me and then sabi niya, Sir Abel, I help you for your advocacy.
Wow.
I love Nasty
Yeah.
Patesio. She's so sweet.
And Avel, how different is this from your previous work?
Well, ang dami kong pinagdaanan. I represent the country for several competition, young designer competition. But I think this is, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko, this is the trophy, na mas pinakamataas na trophy.
Nice.
Because you are representing the athlete, you're representing the Philippines, you are representing the weavers.
Right. It's lahat
And the
na.
new generation.
I like
Did
that.
you like it?
I will vote for you.
That's why you saying, did you like
Did
it?
you like it?
Did you like it? Now I want to ask you,
Conviction and feeling dapat. Wala sa kawan mo yon sa accent.
in that tone, did you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, kuhang-kuha. Hindi tayo natatapos dito. Kulit.
I love it.
Okay, what was the
Okay.
biggest risk that you took when making the uniforms?
Looking for the embroiderer.
What's one word that you want the world to feel when seeing the uniforms?
Parang ang lalim. Ayoko na ulit magsalita ng kung baka mabigla na naman ako. Give me ilang seconds.
Sure. 5, 4, 3,
Wait,
2, 1.
tradition.
Tradition. Filipino tradition.
Filipino tradition.
Still with the advocacy, I love it.
Yes.
Now, one dream event, I feel like this is a dream event already, but one that you haven't done yet that you want to do next.
The Olympics.
I knew
I
it.
was about to ask you, are you doing the Olympics?
Yes, I am.
Oh,
So
breaking
is this
news!
breaking news?
Yeah.
Breaking news, everyone. Avel Bacudio is
Because I have 4
designing.
years contract with POC.
So, swak na siya
So,
doon.
pasok na siya sa
And
Olympics.
then next ko is the
Did you
winter.
like it?
The Winter
Yes.
Olympics.
The winter.
Yes.
Wait,
Oh,
I want to
and
know how
Milan.
you're going to design. So, oh yeah, Milan one. What are you going to design for the Winter Olympics?
I think-
A barong puffer jacket.
No, yes. Pero very, very kailangan pag-aralan mabuti. Kasi winter.
Wait, you have to make us extra, ha? You broke the news here, and
Yes.
you're two
You can be your
athletes
model.
here.
And then you can ask na Bumble.
Did you like it?
Did you like
Did
it?
you like it?
Wait, sa Olympics muna tayo, and then
Okay.
wait, which one's first? Olympics muna, no? And
the,
then, no, winter.
The Olympics is 2028.
2028.
But the
It's next year,
winter
2027.
is February.
Oh, that's in LA. Okay.
No,
2026.
LA is on 2028.
That's summer.
Summer, 2028.
So winter yung mauna.
And then next year is the February Winter Olympics.
Yes.
And then Tokyo for the SEA Games again.
So can you show
Wow,
us the
he's so
designs
busy.
already for the
No.
Winter Olympics?
Can you give us a sneak
I
peek?
have in my phone.
Pabigay nga yung phone.
Wait, akin na mo.
Ayan na! peek of
Here,
like the
here.
winter
We're
muna.
gonna see it. This is breaking news.
Wait.
What?
This is
Okay,
only
while
here,
you're looking-
exclusive.
Baka
I
ibang
hope we
makita mo
like
dito,
it.
girl.
Did you
Did you
like
like it? Oo, we loved it.
Sandali.
I love this. This is so cool.
Wait, that's so sick. Like a
Sorry,
barong puffer jacket.
we're the only ones that broke the news today. No
Direct
other,
pa extend. Wait lang, we're looking for
no other shows or
nandito na
channels.
yata,
Only the
wait.
Wait, I'm
Billionaire
so
News
excited
channel.
that Olympics.
I'll send you this one also para you have a tote bag.
Oh,
Ay,
sandali
may
lang.
wait lang.
Ano po? Live tayo, Avel.
Live na tayo! Ay, medyo may 10 minutes ba akong hahanapin kasi iba ang nakikita ko
Okay
dito.
lang, pakita mo na lang sa amin,
Mamamaya.
Mami. Ha? Okay. Since you said that and you broke the news, we're so proud of you.
Thank you, thank you,
Super.
thank
Give us like one design that you're designing for the winter. Like a concept that you're doing.
It's representing the Mindanao, the Tawi-Tawi.
Tawi-tawi.
So you know the pattern.
You're bringing the tropics to the
Yes.
winter.
Yes, they're gonna melt in there.
But of course, we need to experiment the fabric,
Yes.
ano yung ilalagay sa loob
Yes.
para maging But of course, yung sa labas niya is the traditional. Pero sa loob, di ba, mayroon tayong parang experimental na parang mainit siya.
Yes. All right. Very quickly, Avel.
May rapid fire pa tayo.
We have 15 minutes pa, direct. Charot.
Yes. No, what I want
Wala
to
pa
know.
tayo sa love life.
Next,
Wait,
next
kasi
guest
kasi
to be sa Love Live.
kasi dapat may inspiration ka. Dito ka na.
Palit ba tayo? Gusto ko. Okay, no problem. But Avel, one message that you like to send our Filipinos and young designers
Okay.
that wanna follow your footsteps.
Okay, sa mga Pilipino na saan ang camera?
Dito
Yeah,
po.
Avel, right
Pwede
here.
ba lahat?
Diyan, Avel.
Pwedeng makeup mo. Charot. So, sa lahat, hindi lang mga young designers, sa lahat ng Pilipino, wag nating kalimutan kung ano yung mga pamana ng mga binigay sa atin ng ating mga ninuno. Kasi hindi tayo magiging isang Pilipino kung hindi natin dala-dala yon nasa puso at nasa utak natin. So kahit saan pumunta man tayo sa ibang mundo o kahit isang sulok ng mundo, ang sarap maging Pilipino kung nasa puso natin ang tradisyonal at makabayan na pagkatao.
Thank you so much, Avel
For
Bacudio.
President! Mag-ano ka na? Mag-goodbye.
Avel.
Sa susunod po ulit, babalik kami.
Sa love life naman.
Thank you, Tito Avel.
Thank you, Sir
Sir,
Avel.
I'm not your teacher, Monique.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
and we
thank you.
hope to have you back
Of
here in
course,
the
of course,
show.
definitely.
You will be
Thank you,
back.
Avel.
He's our missing host.